Do calls on your iPhone sound muffled, or even worse, no sound at all? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to fix an iPhone speaker. Your iPhone speakers are fragile and can become easily damaged. Here are some of the most common reasons why your iPhone speaker isn't working. Physical or liquid damage, faulty speaker, volume turned down or muted, connected Bluetooth device, dirty or blocked speaker port, or your phone might be connected to an AirPlay device. Here's how to fix it. It seems obvious, but first, make sure the volume on your phone is turned all the way up by pressing and holding the top volume button on the side of your phone. Also, make sure silent mode is turned off. Slide the ring silent switch toward the screen. If you see a red line, that means it's on silent. If your iPhone speaker is still not working, make sure your Bluetooth is disconnected. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, and turn off Bluetooth. Also, check that AirPlay is turned off. Go to Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap the AirPlay icon. Another common cause of speaker problems is dirt or debris blocking the port. First, remove your protective case, then use a cotton swab to gently brush away anything in the port. Never use sharp objects like paper clips or pens because they may damage your speaker. Finally, if your iPhone was damaged by liquid or physical damage, you may need to have it repaired. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.